Okay, so reviewing the chapter preview is on pages 120 to 123. So you should be on pages 120 to 123. I'm just going to go through them. You guys let me know. Okay, well, 120 and 121, they're talking about using graph knowledge. So if you haven't gone over 120, 121, make sure you're doing that. So looking at probability, looking at fractions. Number one, how many students are absent on Monday? Yeah?
4.
No. So the graph on page 122 talks about how many students are absent. Can I help you? The graph says how many people are absent each day. How many people are absent on Monday? Yeah? Yeah, 21. How about on Tuesday? Yeah? 20. Thursday and Friday is
7.
together. Thursday and Friday together is how many?
6. 22.
22. You got 7 on Thursday. 7 on Thursday. 5 on. Oh, sorry. 6 on Thursday. 16 on Friday. How many students were more absent on Tuesday than on Wednesday? You got 10. We're reviewing. That's what we're doing today, right now in class. We were supposed to yesterday, but you were doing your test, so you didn't have it done. So that just means you're reviewing with us right now. Yeah? Yeah, 10 more on Tuesday than on Wednesday. No. Number 5, the least number of students that were absent was on what day? Yep.
Thursday.
Yep. And then 6, the masses of the 3 boys are 45 kilograms, 62 kilograms, 58 kilograms. Find the average. How do you find average? Yeah?
You add them all up and then divide them.
Yep, add them all up. So if it's 45, 62, 58, 45, 62, 58.
You're the first one, the last one, Evan's the one in the middle.
What am I?
We're just talking, this is the average weight. By the way, this is in kilograms. You guys don't wear anywhere near this in kilograms. Anyone know what the conversion rate between kilograms and pounds is?
No.
Yeah?
Kilograms is something different than pounds.
That's not what I asked.
No. That's the conversion.
That's not what I asked. The conversion rate, so centimeters to inches, 2.54 centimeters is exactly 1 inch. So if that you hear centimeters, you know it's smaller because you can fit 2.5 centimeters inside 1 inch. Kilograms, which one weighs more, 1 kilogram or 1 pound?
1 pound.
No.
No, 1 kilogram.
1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Anyone want to guess how many pounds 1 kilogram is? Yeah?
5.
Nope. Almost exactly. 2.2. So if it's 50 pounds, or if it's 100 pounds, that means 100 kilograms would be 220 pounds, almost exactly.
What?
Yep. So 100 kilograms. If you weigh 100 kilograms, you weigh a lot more than 100 pounds.
I
Yep.
weigh 100 kilograms.
So, what about 1 ton? Is that how many kilograms?
So it depends if it's 1 ton or 1 metric ton. 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. 1 metric ton is 1,000 kilograms, which would be 2,200 pounds. So 1 ton and 1 metric ton are similar. When in doubt, so I say this to every class all the time. I don't really want to become president, but if I would become president, I think one of the things I would do, especially as a math and science teacher, is I would switch America over to the metric system. The metric system is 100 times better, maybe more than 100 times better than what the American system is. American system makes no sense. 3 yards in a foot, 12 inches in a foot, 3 feet in a yard. That doesn't make any sense. Everything makes perfect sense in the metric system. So most all scientists, they don't even use anything in the American system. They're just like, ditch it, we're just going to go to the metric system because it's so much better. Yep.
Well, so, how many pounds is 110 kilograms?
I'm not doing conversions all day today. All right, we're going back to this.
I just want to know
So
that one.
the average of this, 62 and 58, makes what total? What's 62 plus 58? Yeah?
62 plus 50 is like 100 and...
Oh, I know. It's 100. It's 110.
Nope.
20.
120, yep. Think. Take these two away, put them on here, 60 and 60, gets you to 120. 120 plus 45, so it's 165 divided by 3. I think about it this way. 3 goes into 150. I think about this as I split it into 150 and 15. 3 goes into 150. No, 3 goes into 15 5 times. And this goes into it.
30.
3 goes into it 50 times. Whoops, you just wrote down the wrong thing. 50 times. So 3 goes into 65, 50 plus 5, or 55 times. This is if you're like, hey, I want to learn tricks on how to do math faster, this is what you need to be looking at. Can I split up numbers into smaller ones so I don't have to do all the long division? 3 goes into 150 and 15. 3 goes into 150 50 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 50 plus 5, 55. So 55 kilograms would be the average on that. 7, 8, 9. It is blank that it will land on yellow. More or less likely? Less likely. What about on black?
Impossible.
Ah, impossible, because there's no black there for it to land on. You could say yes, the little lines. The little lines aren't actually a black section though, so it doesn't count. What about red?
3 out of 6.
It would be
There's no red.
it would be most likely, or you could say more likely. But it's kind of it's like 50%, so it's not like it's more likely. It's just it's more likely than any other color. 123, the bottom 10 to 13. So this is still for the spinner. What about blue? What are the chances? 1/6. What about red?
3 out of 6.
3 out of 6, which simplifies to
1/2.
1/2. Yep. 12. What about red, green, yellow, or blue?
3 out of
100%.
Certain or 100% or 1? Yes, 1 is a likelihood. It sounds weird, right? But 100%, think that's 100 over 100, that's 1. So it's not 1%, because that'd be 1 over 100. You could say 1, you could say
100%.
certain, you could say 100%, all of those are valid. And then what about the possibility of it laying on purple?
0.
Impossible.
Impossible, yes, it cannot happen. Alright, that's your